Today is October the 12th, Tuesday, 2010, Denver, Colorado. And I am documenting by Denver Health. And it is raining. It's a little chilly. And I think they said it's going to be nice again a couple of days, but I believe that winter is very close. And I'm right here at Denver Health, Denver, Colorado.